I think you gave two answers there.
Like, I actually wanted to conduct some of my own studies. And we sort of set the basis of this already, Dan, by doing all these mass spectrometries and HPLC analysis on these different peptides and peptide complexes and stuff, especially the conventions ones was our focus, because we wanted to confirm what some of the findings were in the literature. We wanted to see if some of the complexes actually contained the small peptides that are supposed to be in them or not. And we wanted to see if the molecular weights of the peptides were as advertised or not. And, we've made some fascinating discoveries because it's mostly matched up with the literature, but there are some things which are also a little bit different. And I don't know how much you want me to go into detail and all that right now, but I could talk on it.
So you first answered like why you went through that whole process of diving into the research on peptides. And you mentioned that you started to look into this stuff, but a lot of it was just the straight skepticism of people who just didn't believe what you were saying and what you were telling them about this stuff. And you were like, no, it's real, like I'll prove it. And so I think you had like a mission there to really dive in and prove it. What did you find out that no one else knows? And I think you gave two answers there. The first answer was that you found out that a lot of these people will say that, oh, only Carvenson did the research. No, there were other people doing the research as well. It wasn't just Carvenson. So you found that out. And the second thing that you found out was that even through our own research and through the mass spectrometry and through HPLC testing and things like that, you found out the actual constituents, I guess, the components.
Well, yeah. For some of the peptides, we have confirmed the entire constituents of that peptide complex. But like we've identified actually peptides and its composition in particular, which are undocumented in the literature.